Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both your console and the server. Open Rust and go to Settings, then Notifications. Turn on RAID alerts so the game will emit events you can capture. At the same time, link your console account to a companion app or set up a Discord bot that can receive webhooks from the server. This is how alerts reach you off console. Once done, confirm the server accepts plugins or webhooks and that you have admin rights. Without that, notifications won't transmit. Now you configure the server-side pieces that generate the alerts. Install a compatible plugin umod/oxide or use Rust IO features. These expose RAID events. Create a webhook target, usually a Discord channel or third-party app, and copy its URL into the plugin settings. Map specific RAID events such as RAID start, progress, and completion to notification triggers so you don't get spam. Make incremental saves and test each mapping. This ensures you only receive the important. Finish by testing and refining the system. You should perform a controlled RAID test so you see the exact notification flow on your console or linked app. Note delays, missing fields, or duplicate messages. Once validated, fine-tune filters and cooldowns to reduce noise and adjust payload content for clarity. If things go wrong, check server logs, webhook permissions, bot tokens, and any firewall or NAT rules that block outbound requests. Make small adjustments and retest until notifications are reliable and timely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.